For this build, we started with a used 2017 Factory Edition KTM 250SXF. The Factory Edition for 2017 only got minor updates to the suspension. However, the aesthetics of the Factory Edition, with its orange frame and orange anodized parts, made the bike look much better than the 2017 production model. We had a goal for the engine to fill in the gaps lower in the power band, as well as bumping up the overall power output. We entrusted Racetech Engine Services to control our engine build. Yes, Racetech does more than just suspension. They are a do-it-all kind of shop these days. Racetech ported the head, installed the Stage 1 hot cam set, bolted on a Vortex ECU, and dyno-tuned the engine to make everything work and run in harmony with each other. We added an FMF full exhaust, beefed up the clutch as it had quite a few hours on it with Hinson fiber and steel clutch plates, springs, and a full inner hub pressure plate kit, and used a Uni 2-stage air filter. The worst thing about the KTM 250SXF in stock trim is its gearing. Luckily, it's an inexpensive fix. The ultra-tall 1451 gear combo was replaced with a Super Sprox 13-tooth front sprocket and stock 51 rear. Bringing the countershaft sprocket down one size is close to going 3 teeth bigger on the rear. The gearing is that far off. We like the WP Factory Edition AER air forks. They aren't as good as the 2018 setup, but they are in the ballpark. We wanted them specifically set up for a 185-pound vet rider. We had factory connection massage and service the WP components. Racetech didn't make the engine into a high-strung machine. They made the engine faster across the board, yet easier to ride for all skill levels. The bottom end had the pickup of a YZ250F. It was more responsive and revved faster through the power band, getting to the meat of the power quick. It made the power band feel shorter, but every rider liked that you didn't have to wait till 14,000 RPMs to shift. Being able to short shift made lower level riders more comfortable to ride the bike. Faster riders were able to ride a gear higher coming into corners and felt they were able to use the clutch less. They said the power from bottom, mid, and top felt more connected. Within a few clicks and a few pounds of pressure, the factory connection technicians had our WP components dialed in, not including parts. The full revalve front and rear cost us around $450. Our testers felt the forks held up better in the stroke, which made for a plusher initial feel. The shock had a more planted feel. The stock shock setting is a bit soft for our heavier riders. The factory connection setup was stiffer and more progressive. It did not move or wallow like before. Our riders felt more confident with a balanced setup. In stock trim, this is already a fast bike, but making it easier to ride for the masses was our goal. Racetech surpassed our ambitions by making it faster throughout the entire range while keeping it simple. The factory connection suspension was great for those wanting to tune their suspension for their skill level and weight, even though the WP forks are a great starting point. For the latest in the motocross industry, check out motocrossactionmag.com. And do you want to see more videos like this? Check these out.